So over here, you can see that I have some files, and let's say I accidentally deleted them out. So as long as the file history setup is done, what you can actually do is you can get it back easily as long as it has been synced out in time. So to access out the deleted files using file history tool, first of all, you need to go around onto the start menu right here and then type in control panel right here. So I'm just going to go around onto the control panel, and over here you can see file history is an option. So over here you can see restore personal files is an option right here. So if I were to go around and click on this, what happens is that you can see the folders that you have actually enabled out in the file history. So now I'm going to go around into desktop right here, and you can see that I got two files right here. So let's say I want to restore this out. So I'm going to restore this to original location, as you can see right here on my desktop. And then what happens is that now those files get restored out over here on my desktop, as you can see, and I haven't actually done anything from the recycle bin. And that is how you can recover out files. So if you want to make a backup of all the files and folders, you can press run now, and everything will be actually backed up onto this particular drive. So you can go around onto restore personal files right here to access out all the backup that has been done, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here on the desktop, you can go back, as you can see right here, and you can see that now the restore has been made in a particular time as well. So that is how you can roll out easily if accidentally you were to delete out files. So over here you can see that you can also go around onto the previous version and the next version. So this is the 4:13 p.m. version right here, and this is the 4:11 version right here. So it saves out different time versions of how the file structure was, and then you can go around, navigate around, and restore to that particular time structure as well. So that is how you can work around with file history tool and restore out files that you have accidentally deleted inside of Microsoft Windows 11, as long as you have enabled file history. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.